Hello guys, today we made this scene in Unity for one of our client. Our client sent us this picture, if you can see this, and I create this in Unity. Let me show you this on. This is in camera, and this one is scene. Now I will show you how I create all this from where I download some documents and how I made these textures. First of all, uh, we started from here, from the road, then cars and trees. For this, I took this texture, road texture, from this one, this texture. I took this texture from Google and made its plane into the Maya, and then UV mapped it and make its road. First it was too small like this, then I rescale it. So after that I made these road strips in Maya according to the picture, because here is the real picture. These are made from cube, if you can see here. There. So I made this, then I made these. After all these, I made these zebra crosses. It's also in Maya. It's just a simple white cube to extract on a z-axis. After that, I made this one. You can see it's also into the Maya. Just import it. No textures. It's only color. There only one texture. We used it in Unity. Maya, this black road texture. After all these, I made these, you can see these signals. We can change it. I made this. After all these done, made the street lights and also imported inside a Unity. Then there was a main thing that we needed cars. So from Unity stores we download all these cards from a Unity free asset store. Here you can see it's a zero cars, it's background cars and some other. So I just import it and it worked. Same like this. And the last thing, which was a little difficult for me, because the trees in the picture, if you can see, it's like in autumn. It's a little bit yellow, so it was hard to find these trees which are similar to the pictures. So for that I use Unity one of the Unity free asset environment, flooded grounds. If you can type this flooded ground inside Unity asset store, you can find this, and simple, you can just like drag and drop any trees. Like if I show you, here is the bushes, grass, rocks, trees. If I can, it's a tall tree, you can see here. So I took trees from that environment. After all these, I The one thing which was a side footpath, but it's not too much difficult, but in the picture you can see in real picture it's very invisible, but I made it. And the last thing, which was a sky, I used a skybox from a free Unity asset store, which one is a sky series freebie. You can type this and import it directly from a Unity asset store. So here was a short demo of this picture, how we create this. You can also create this in a very simple way. If you want to make these type of environments, you can watch my videos, and now from here we should download these assets. So thank you for watching my video, and please like and subscribe my channel.